Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add your junk email folder to favorites in Outlook on your PC. This simple process will help you access and manage junk emails more efficiently. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. Once it loads, you'll see the familiar interface with your email folders on the left-hand side. To proceed, look at the top of the page and locate the three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on it to expand the menu options. Now scroll down until you find the Junk Emails folder. This folder is where Outlook automatically stores emails flagged as spam or junk. Next to the Junk Emails folder, you'll notice three dots. These represent additional settings for the folder. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Add to Favorites. With just one click, your Junk Emails folder will now appear in your Favorites section at the top of the folder pane. This makes it easier to check for any legitimate emails that may have been mistakenly filtered into junk. And that's it. You've successfully added your Junk Emails folder to Favorites in Outlook. By doing this, you can quickly access and review messages in this folder without having to scroll through all your other folders each time. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.